In this daily drop, we're going to talk about one of my favorite things to wrap gear with. So let's go. All right, here we are again. And yes, the voice is still recovering. I feel fine, but actually by the time you watch this, I will have already gone and done a production and come back. And I'm just doing a lot of episodes ahead of that. So yeah, that's life. All right, so here we are. And I am actually, you'll be watching this when I'm back from the trip, but I'm getting ready to pack equipment. And one of my favorite things to use to do that are these wraps. Most of the ones that I have are from Tenba. They are made by different companies. I've had this one for ages. I have no idea, honestly, where I got it. But they all basically work the same way. They're in different sizes based on what it is that you're wrapping. And for me, do I have, oh, here. Like, here is a case for the Forza 60B, the bicolor unit, which is this fixture right here. It's pretty big. It's not a huge case, but if I'm taking and packing equipment into a semi-rigid or rigid case that is going to get checked, then I might as well use these wraps. So let's just go ahead and take a look at that. For instance, take a light like this and you want to wrap it. These are great for lenses and stuff too. There you go. So it's padded. I might take a similar sized wrap, and I've got this Fresnel lens for the 60B. I'm not actually bringing the reflector. I'll bring the Fresnel with the barn doors, and then just go ahead and pack that up, and then that will go into the case. So we have our light here, and we're going to wrap it with one of these. And they make them, as I said before, in different sizes. Now, you'll see here that I've got one here that's black, and then they do make them in different colors. Tenba has this blue that I like a lot. And that all depends on the interior of your case, because if your case interior is, let's say, a yellow, then you might be fine using a darker wrap. I like to use different colors because then you can sort of identify things as well. But basically, it just, you know, they're so easy to use. And if you use a larger one with a smaller piece of kit, then you're going to get even more protection. But usually, again, as I said, if you are using a semi-rigid or rigid kind of case, then it doesn't really matter that much. And then if you have cabling and things, they make, Tenba does, these little pouches. They also make ones that are more rigid that they call toolboxes. This is the power supply for this 60B unit right here. These things are just fantastic. Again, you can use them for lenses, you can use them for lights, you can use them to wrap cameras, and they just allow you to fit more kit into your cases, which makes it more flexible for packing. I'll put links in the description to at least the Tenba wraps, the little pouches here, and if you use the code down there, because they are an affiliate, you'll save 10% and you also get free shipping and nothing costs you more money. So it supports the channel. I've been using these things for years. These are my Tenba wraps and I will continue to use them. But again, they are made by other companies. And if you have them and you haven't been using them, use them. If you don't have them, maybe consider getting a couple and see how they fit into your workflow. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.